So there are some you couldn't hear it. In that direction there are some strange sounds coming. One, two. I don't know what is it. But Lisa is completely spooked. Wait, Lizzie, arriva Tuki. As you can see by her tail. Or first time that I'm hearing this sound. I don't know, it's a bird in some sort. Pretty easy. Let's go. Yeah, wait, arriva. Yeah. On our way to Rozhnik.